megahertz, serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. This afternoon, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. South winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Southwest winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Friday night, mostly clear. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Sunday night.
The National Weather Service, Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is Weather Radio